Here for breaking news at Eba, and it's a legendary Ghanaian gospel musician, Prophet Seth Frimpong, with him, I think Okofanoche Teaching Hospital. That's the story coming through. Mesremo, and there your first time was subscribing and clicking notification bell and then that screen so this year. That's the breaking news coming through. Yesterday and there, which is 24th of April 2020. Ahomache by 2:30 and our free. That is what we are hearing. Now, Obi Baby Sase Seth Frimpong or no anyway. Ebiana, you don't know him by face, and I say you don't know him by name, but obviously you know him by song because the early 2000s, early 2000s, there no, 2005, 4, there no to me say he was one of the huge musicians in Ghana. Ononobo Okum Chola is a miracle. It's a miracle, Sanjum no. One boy. This is just the beginning. We are shasye. I feel no be na kesye pa. Amamo. Me sure say me to Sanjum no. Wawatin yum no. It is a woo name Prophet Seth Frimpong Okum Chola or no and our boss Sanjum no. Now, in you mebre a lot of gospel songs, old gospel songs. Why wouldn't say Ghana dear can you say? A gospel musicians do na teteno omo na wo mo bonjum na wo bonjum wo botese njuma ye di Nyankopon wa ye na nyama de wo boye na wo sanso eye prophet sanso ye prophet hosem. For now we don't know what actually killed him. We don't know what killed him, but what we know and say Prophet Seth Frimpong ebe yare bia boko shede mu echeye until say Nansenya wono ene brother Sami ebe bonjum bia was sanso AP Ghana for eye den 18 dimbium na wono ankasa we de enese wo bi na aka wono ankasa na enu mu nsem bia wo kan ne mame hu say a Christopher yes senya Jesus Christ e kan e wo Bible mu say yemfa Kaiser de ema Kaiser no e wo say ye ne sa de bia asem ameka ne say ye Christopher mostly no eya na ye need as say oh Yesu Christo aboye ho ban ye wie enti no ye ntumi yare a Christian ni je say o hwa Ghana ha se ankrofo kra enko checkups na wono wo say wo tu say interview bia mete ye a wo ye no wo tu a Christopher for because wo say yare no be born no e hya ase no wo mo ye ya no mu hu yare kro Ghana ha se wo mo ye ya no mu hu yare kro na yare no be hya ase no now we're full plane. We will be able musicians at that time. Now we're one of arguably one of the biggest gospel musicians back then. Internet ya wakwa brochuri eko bo shows ni nyama. Into what na plane yes e be to take level pe. Obonsa se ni su chino. It didn't happen once, it didn't happen twice, it didn't happen 3 times, it didn't happen 4 times, 5. Just say almost every time about befa plane biana na sa de ne no. Na eye say eye normal. Not knowing na eye yare na eba be bono no eno na eye ni hu bi nti owo ho a obo se wo preachi ana wo ka nyame aseba na wo to ndwom a na se yare na sanso abane so but se ne wo to ndwom yes ade nti no eye ana ye Christopher ne kra ne ye be hu ne se eye the spirit of God and the Holy Spirit na afile no a wo yes a eba ne so na otofo mu a eye ana nkrofo fi se ndwom a wo to no eye spirit no ena afele ne na kase eto ne so nanso na eye yawe na eba ne so no ena eba na ne nemu no na e wo se wo hospital but osanse wo ye prophet adebia wo bom pa ye nti wo de no me de I am anointed me de Nyankopon abom me ho ban yawe bia ntumi nyame ubon so wo bom pa ye san wo hospital just like a lot of pastors or Christians in this country into one hospital they be eba no wa bompire once after 2-3 days ya really finish so na afi hu say ma bompire na ya we no ko o ho abon sa sanso aba no wa bompire na ekọ until say ya we no ebe chi ne ka demu a ebe ye serious e ma afi se bo be pie kra na aya asem no wutumi empie munti asem ni yo na afi wutumi empie yare ni mu ana one day wo se ya homache wo sori ya wo bompaye wo be hwa ne se wo hu hwe obi a wa sori ahomache a wo bompaye wo hu hwe sesen te se ne ni enhu hwe eno se asembe ni Ada n'ani efra na wo ye ya se wo de ne nsa afafa n'ani hu tre se nothing wo hu hwe na ne mma woni omo eti fie no wamma wo mu ehu se n'ani efra. So what he did ne say wo sorry na wakọ edware ana baby a wo hyeda asoma ne mma no e ma ne mba ne frifie ho na wasoso ban mu ana wo odi mu na wakọ akodware okodware ana waba betena se na wasiesie ne ho ntine mba ne beba no na waye bibie ewie ntini ni nemu no bompa because na wakantam say wo ma ne mba ne hu se ne ni efra na wo challenge ne ho so wasi ni nemu osori a chese mpaibon sa 3 days after ena chese nyankopon adom ne ni eteye munti asem ni ye nti wo ma na oni omuti fie kra no for 3 days na ne ni efra but no one saw it and no one knew nti ne ni beteye na em say sa time no na still ogusu bompa but still na yare no ababe didi ne mu ache Emma, womo ede ko hospital kan a doctor for ka se bebi a yare ne du no. Eni ayenyan. Na nke mra yare ne sha ase se eba no, mra na wotena plane mu, na plane itu, na chese ne ni su chin no, wo perform na wo preach na wo twahwe no. Sa time no, ena nka wo hu yare na wo ba hospital be ye check up a, nka yare no endidi ni mu embe ye boni se. Nsemo a doctors ne ka tre no. Nti ono kra no wotu Ghana fofo etu asofo say yes nyankopon ewo ho otu asofo say nyankopon wo ho miracles ewo ho but eba physical one nso a make sure say oye sofo a wo be ko hospital asemo a wo ka kire asofo nyina no na wo say embra na wote so no embra na wo ye ndwom no a lot of musicians your imagine say wo mo ne be ye ndwom na wo no wo yo bi a eya wo be ye bibia wo bisa nyankopon ansa wo just say wo train direction from God and sana wa yes ade no inti sa time no na wo bi beka say oh prophet set frimpon ye pese ye ne wo ye ndwom na just say waka say oh wo de train manyankopon ka sansa inti sa time no bon say wa wo nim Ghana for musicians obi betumi an say oh ne buefu wo me pese me ne wo ye ndwom wo pese wo ne me be ye inti wo yare a wo dampim ena say brother Sami reach out ena brother Sami hu say say your legendary musician you with just say o yare say ena ne hoto ne kakra na brother Sami ka tra ne say da o kan say e was say ye nnwom bi ena was say an wo ka tra brother Sami say ne kre this is the time for us to do the song into be kaya wo no ne brother Sami mo aye nnwom bi a aba bonten na brother Sami ko stages bi ko perform kra na woni na ena na eye den ekọ. So even brother Sami has confirmed his death. Now, a way and say, and there may a report I'm doing this report in the afternoon of 24th. And no part and I'm say but just like senior ya walk why you say ya baba be reported say another Ghanaian pastor be I friend apreku my daughter wewu later baba on say no I wanted to confirm. Osha from Star FM in Shira FM wo mu nyina trese wo mo etu reps a wo mo akọho a wo mu hu ne se ne kre eye prophet set frimpon wo film yayaya e wo Komfo Anokye teaching hospital. We don't know what killed him ye nim de kuno but that's why I've given you the history of yare wo be yare because a lot of people are saying say ebia yare no enenam so kuno. Now, ne ho beto na wo performing and wo ba abonteno. We all saw him. He became very very slim. Not just like utumi hu say chale yare no se woni say yare no na na fon o say doctor's advice wo mo ka say yare no e wo say kwa wo fon say then you didn't actually we all didn't know. But we also say chale wasesa say na first with China so no wo body no. It wasn't that way again. So Nima any ne na warion so ebeseye na eya na asofo any omo yanyam yedwuma no eya na mesumo omo because most of them osha wo ma warrior tie say pan most of them omo warrior tie say na eya na won ti ase because people will say say ni say na warrior be say e ma na yere kra etu kotina I think Australia was again but not ne mano em se na ebi mo won nchen and so on. So our condolence to the family, the children, the ex-wife, and whoever. I mean, obia na papa ye na ejuma etache no. Oba asasi so ono so aba abeye bi ama Nyankopon. May his soul rest in perfect peace. Etiefo, mentre ma jo comment box ni mo.